How you doing, Bill? So I just wanted to give you an overview. So basically what we want to do is utilize this part of the land, but it has a little slope there because we want to be able to utilize it without having to put a road. So you see in this section it has a sort of a slope, so we want to set up a kind of an eco project there. Well, let me see if I have the picture. Okay, so this gives a better idea in terms of the different elevations. So the red part where it has a sort of a more slope. I'm not sure in the pink if you have a lift that starts from the yellow and goes right up to the top, if that's possible. That is basically what we want. In the red, we want to put like let me see if I have an example. So I'm gonna show you the homes is like dome homes. We want to put them along here, so you would go up in the lift and we would have it like in rows. So let's say you press row 1, it stops here, and then you come off, you walk to your unit. Let's say you want to go to we want to put like a zip line also to the top or to the restaurant. You press like how you do in an elevator. I don't know if that's how it works with your system, but that's pretty much what we want to be able to access the boat sides and have it go up here on the bound, so that both these properties can contribute and pay for the system and also be able to utilize it. So that's just a nutshell. Of course, when you provide more information and when you ask me more information, I will send you that. So so what I sent you so far, I sent you this, which is an overview of the property. So you see the elements. This is a salt pond. The ocean is in the distance, so give you an idea the elements you were dealing with. This is a type of rock that is there, soil type. I'm not sure if you, this is like a overview also from the drone that we did the analysis. I don't know if you use Point Cloud, but I have the files in Point Cloud that you can just put in Revit or SketchUp, and you get the whole hill that you can do stuff, or you could zoom in on the actual drone footage that was done. So you can see we have all the drone footage that we scanned. So this is the actual land. So if you want that, I could send you that. And yeah, let me know. And looking forward to working with you guys.